Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to explain to you how you can wirelessly connect your Oculus or Oculus Quest 2 to SideQuest app to do side loading, installing apps remotely without actually connecting a cable to your PC or mobile. Now in order to do this, you need the link cable to get an initial connection to your PC or mobile app. There's a SideQuest beta mobile app. In order for the app to recognize the IP of your VR headset. Now, why you need to do this is using the SideQuest app. Basically, this is the SideQuest app. You need to download it. It's free. What you need to do is, if you are not connected, you can see you need to connect the cable, the link cable to your headset and then to your PC. I do this from USB-C connection on my laptop. After that, make sure you wear the headset, use the controller, and approve the connection in your headset. That's exactly the sound you're going to hear. After you've done that, this circle will turn from red to green. Next, we need to tap the wireless symbol icon at the top menu. Now, a new window will appear when you need to tap Connect. After you do that, make sure that if you have a message for confirming, allowing the connection, make sure you do that in your Oculus Quest or Oculus Quest 2 VR headset. Now you can disconnect the USB-C from your computer and from your headset and use the wireless feature to install apps via SideQuest. Now, if you have problem with this and you encounter not connected, this means that the port that is used to connect to your headset might be blocked on your computer. This is off topic of this guide, but if you want to find out which ports are actually, or which software are actually using, type in Google, check open port on Windows and type the port number that actually use and see how you can find the app that actually using it, and maybe you can actually make changes to the app, close the app, or maybe restart your computer and see if it helps. But basically something actually blocking connection to your VR headset from your computer. Now, if it doesn't work for you, you can try it on another computer, but if again it doesn't work for you, you can try using the SideQuest beta app. I'm using this on my Android phone. So basically what we will be doing here is doing the same thing, but instead of connecting the USB-C cable to the PC, we are going to connect it to the USB-C on the Android phone. So this is the app, as you can see, and on the top left corner, you're going to see a Wi-Fi icon. So what you want to do is tap this icon to go into the settings. Now, before you do that, make sure OTG is turned on. When it wasn't turned on, I wasn't actually able to finish the step. By connecting the cable to the headset and to the phone, this allows SideQuest app to obtain the headset IP. Now you need to enable Wi-Fi and connect. Keep in mind that if you're unable to connect, for me the problem was the OTG. All right, once I used the OTG, there was not any problem, and then I was able to connect. Now SideQuest will actually give you a prompt that you need to accept the connection on the target device. See if you're connected for the first time from that device. So when you see this, make sure you look at the headset and approve. It's going to stay there until you approve the connection in your Oculus Quest or Oculus Quest 2 VR headset. Now, when this is done, you can actually disconnect all the cables, and now the SideQuest app, in this case SideQuest app on my Android device, will be connected to my Oculus Quest 2 VR headset, and I'm able to install apps remotely. So as you can see, before that I wasn't able to connect, and when I'm connected, downloading and installing, for in this case Attack on Quest game, to my Oculus Quest 2 VR headset via wireless connection. So it's already downloaded, and now it told me that it's installing. So I actually don't need to go to the headset and install it. It automatically installed the game on my Quest VR headset. So this is it. I hope you find this one useful. I hope that I got everything correctly. If you have anything to add, correct, or add your own remarks, make sure you do this in the comment section below. If you like this guide. There are going to be many more and many cool things related to virtual reality on my channel. So make sure you subscribe to my channel and give this one a little like if you find this one useful. I see you very soon on the next video. Thanks for watching, everyone. Cheers. Bye bye.